heck? Oh, the severe thoughts from margin to marginal. That's interesting. Okay.
County in Central Virginia, Northern Charlotte County in South Central Virginia, Eastern Campbell County in Central Virginia, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Spring Mills, Oregon, 7 miles northwest of Red House, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gust and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Appomattox, Red House, Concord, Pamplin City, Madisonville, Appomattox National Historic Park, and Pittsburgh. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Appomattox County in Central Virginia, Northern Charlotte County.
Crap. This is KJY86. I can get a super clear signal. This is the clearest signal I've ever gotten.
Until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Yanceyville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Can I put all of them on KJY86? That would be cool. Ooh! Oh my goodness! What do we have here?
Source.
Woo! Oh boy! I have secondary. I have secondary channels now. Oh my gosh! Cool. Oh hi Raleigh. I forgot Raleigh existed.
Now a special weather
Almost
statement
down.
from the National Weather Service. Radar indication at 6:21 p.m. Siding and trees. Locations impacted include Chapel Hill, Burlington, Graham, Roxborough,
Graham.
Hillsborough, Carrboro, Mebane, Elon, Concord, and Gibson. The city.
Okay, hi Raleigh.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Chesterfield County in Central Virginia, southeastern Lunenburg County in South Central Virginia. County in South Central Virginia. Southeastern Amelia County in Central Virginia. Brunswick County in South Central Virginia until 7:15 p.m. Dan River at 6:30 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Fort Barfoot or near Blackstone, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source.
Focus. Hold on.
Impact. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Then partly cloudy with isolated activity around 7:05 p.m. 2415. Posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield.
Okay, cool.
As Wakefield.
Cool.
Room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757 2415. Posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page.
Such a weird radio.
40%. With northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard. Wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour and half-inch hail.
It's gonna be right here.
Southeastern Mecklenburg County in South Central Virginia. Southeastern Mecklenburg County in South Central Virginia. The city of LaPorte in Southeastern Virginia. Southwestern Sussex County in Southeastern Virginia. Brunswick County in South Central Virginia until 7:30 p.m. At 6:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Broadnex, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Lawrenceville around 6:55 p.m. This p.m. Other locations severe
Dolphin, Bruins Corner, Pleasant Shade, Slate's Corner, Emporia Reservoir, in Murrayville.
Bruins Corner, Pleasant Shade, Slate's Corner, Emporia Reservoir, in Murrayville.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect.
Room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter and Wakefield Button. This is the state.
Good. SVA. I'm actually quite surprised that Dakota that.
A severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, listeners should remain alert for rapidly changing weather patterns and listen for later freezing and possible rain. Continue to know weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Okay. What? No, they didn't. No. 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 Huh?
Field has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Northeastern Mecklenburg County in South Central Virginia. Mecklenburg County in South Central Virginia until 2:45 p.m. At 2:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Chase City, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Having 60 miles per hour with gusts and any-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Chase City at 10 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Gary,
I'm just gonna ditch this.
Wilburn, Rogers Corner, Stanishville, Rock Hill, Northview, Lyman, and Skidway. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield.
Barely any of my radios went off.
And now a special
I mean, kind of.
Oh dang.
severe thunderstorm watch number 592, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Virginia: Amelia,
Amherst, Appomattox,
Buckingham, Charlotte, Cumberland, Fluvanna, Coachland, Louisa, Lunenburg, Nottoway, Powhatan, and Prince Edward.
Oh, there we go.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather. Look for rapid possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Oh no.
Halifax County in South. At 2:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Roxborough, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts of
quarter sun.
5 p.m. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect rain damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rudolph, Clover, Scottsburg, Heinsberg, Stanton River State Park, Dribberg, and Cluster Springs. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds, as well as deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, frequently report some hail with
I'm just surprised as I am. Oh shoot! Oh crap! They're rotating. This one's looking pretty interesting. The heck? None of them activated. Finally! trying to eat.
At 2:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Rehoboth, Oregon, 9 miles east of Chase City, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Cambridge around 3 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Lafoon Corner, Gary, Wilbur, Loveville, Laurel Oaks, Wyman, and Roosevelt. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Please report to calling 757-899-2415 or using Twitter and Playfield.
The fact that I'm able to hear it is weird. Oh no. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Okay. Okay. SVR for Mecklenburg, Lunenburg, and Nottoway.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Cleveland County in south central Virginia, southwestern Harper County in south central Virginia until 4 p.m. At 3:27 p.m., a severe
What?
thunderstorm was located near Woodland, Oregon.
Huh?
Thunderstorms include Wilbur, Rogers Corner, Loveville, Northview, Finchley, Masterville, Skipper, Wyman, Richardson, and John H. Reservoir.
Oh.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your
This thing was rotating for it. Like this one was actually rotating for a bit.
by calling 757-899-2415 or speak to the National Weather Service Wakefield State.
When will we get something? Why would these go off? That explains a lot. Brunswick, Nottoway, and Dinwiddie. There it is. Go off, come on.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Virginia, Western Dade County in South Central Virginia, Northern Brunswick County in South Central Virginia until 4:15 p.m. At 3:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Fort Hartford, or 8 miles south of Blackstone, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour.
There's that.
60 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe thunderstorm will be near Kenny around 4 p.m. Darlow, Warrensburg, Danieltown, Walkers, Keeper, and Rocky
darling. Thank you very much.
Thunderstorm was located near Crozet, or 10 miles east of Waynesboro, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Crozet, Sandersville, 3 Units, Big Meadows, Colony, Elston, Runtersville, Ivy, Quigley, Mark, Lydia, Yancey Hills, Barbersville, Hannahtown, Montpelier Station, Newtown, Old Somerset, Amicus, Somerset, and Shady Grove. For your protection, your interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Stupid blurry camera.
Weather service forecast for Charlottesville and the surrounding KZZ 20 listening area.
I'm gonna get this thumbnail. Guys, I'm doing a thumbnail! Don't want that in there.
Thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Dennis to 7 miles north of Norlena, moving east at 35 miles
Awesome.
per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. Gusts and missile
Oh, we could do this.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expected.
I'll take that.
Severe thunderstorms will be near. Drivers,
I am surprised there's nothing happening for me.
Lawrenceville and Albany around 4:20 p.m. McKinney, Brunswick, and Casper around 4:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Aiken Fork, Conquest, Beechwood, Hill Corner, Rawlings, Tristan, Dalton, Rose Door, Owens Corner, and White Plains. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield.
This thing's gone a
Now for the official
long
National
time.
Weather Service forecast.
This thing's a year old.
And the surrounding
And I got it from a 7/3/23 event. My goodness! Oh my gosh! Oh my! I gotta leave! I gotta leave! Okay, I don't know how, but we managed to catch a leaf. Oh my gosh. The heck? Why did it not go through all the way?
West County in Central Virginia, northeastern Cumberland County in Central Virginia, northwestern Butler County in Central Virginia, Monmouth County in Central Virginia,
Oh.
Around 5:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Nixie, Mayor, Stevens Junction, Shores, Central Lake, Reservoir, Antioch, Chandler, Caledonia, and Wildwood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using clear@wakefield.com.
This thing hasn't gone off yet.
Just east of the bridge.
Probably go off tonight. Because that's when I usually get better signal. They need to install like a new transmitter somewhere here. Because I can barely get KZZ28. I mean, I guess, maybe. I don't know. That's just what I think. Maybe Amelia County, something like that. But then you have WXK65. KZZ28 is my local transmitter. I thought maybe around Prince Edward, Appomattox. But then you have WX on that, whatever. Orange County. The heck? Oh my gosh, here comes the climate summaries.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging news with noise, Cyclone, Randall, Evelyn, Lignum, North, Polycolor, Malvern, Lake of the Woods, Richardsville, Glendy, Morrisville, Hardwood, Ruby, Somerville, and Bullseye. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring. Flood advisory in effect until 6:45 p.m. this evening. Wind caused by excessive rainfall is expected.
Come on. You guys serve Spotsylvania? Watch it change. Watch this. Oh, wait. Watch this. How many radios did we have activated for a unrecognized message?
Southwestern Stafford County in northern Virginia, Orange County in central
Yes,
Virginia,
bruh.
Western City, Fredericksburg in central Virginia.
What? We had 3. 1, 2, 3. Ah!
60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could interfere. Down trees. Otherwise, power outages are possible. Unsecured Wi-Fi may become projectile. Location. Fredericksburg, Orange, Monty Run, Roseville, Hartford, Amarillo, Bernierville, Bush Hill, Madison Run, Locust Grove, Goldendale, Stoneville, Athens, Chancellorsville, Love. For your prediction, going to your room on the lower shore of building. Bush Hill, damaging wind, and continuous clouds to ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Damaging wind and continuous clouds to ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
What a warning. That is so cool. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but that is so cool. Oh my gosh, look at this. That is so cool.
Frequent cloud to ground lightning occurring with these storms.
Wait.
Lightning can strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle.
Here we go.
These storms
Come
may
on.
intensify, so be certain to monitor local radio stations and available television stations for additional information and possible warnings from the National Weather Service.
Here we go.
A severe
Ah!
watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for Central Virginia.
All right, now.
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Amarillo County and Central Virginia, northwestern Charlotte County,
That is
south central
insane.
Virginia, southeastern Campbell County and Central Virginia until 7:15 p.m. At 6:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Spring Mills, Oregon, 8 miles west of Red House, moving.
That is crazy. Look at this.
Source.
Now, I've seen shows pretty cool, but I've never seen this one insanely cool. Like, you could see... Oh my gosh. And you can see the mammatus clouds, too. Basically, we're under the anvil.
Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail at any time.
I don't think we're getting anything.
Any damage, including downstream storm.
Focus!
To the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter.
I don't think we're getting anything, actually. No rain. Barely.
The severe thunderstorm
But
warning.
how do you... I'm gonna do a time lapse. WXL 60 went off. I mean, WXL 92. Yep, told you. Went off. Okay, what was that?
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
Did you hear that relay click, and that's my timer. And that went off.
Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying.
We're finally getting rain, guys.
Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Brookfield, Head Creek, Mud, Spring Mills, Gladys.
That's headed towards us. Oh boy.
This includes the following streams and drainages: Bottom Creek, Entry Creek, Bear Creek, Deep Creek, Beaver Pond Branch, and Falling River.
I'm surprised that went off. That's cool.
Flooded roads.
Secondary station is WXL 792.
When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of flooding, including mudslides or flooded roads, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. And now a special weather statement from your National Weather Service.
Blue.
Issued at 6:20 p.m. A strong thunderstorm will impact
Nice. My county. See those? There it is. My county. We're gonna listen.
Southwestern Cumberland County in
Gotta listen.
Central Virginia, Prince Edward County in Central Virginia, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Darlington Heights, or 9 miles east of Red House, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Hampton, Sydney around 7 p.m. Hampton, Sydney College around 7:05 p.m. Farmville around 7:10 p.m.
There you go.
Longwood University around 7:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Rains Tavern, Briary Creek Lake, Tuggle, Prince Edward Station, Angola.
It's coming from the south.
State Park, Allen Hill, McRae, and Burke's Tavern. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Guys, it's coming from the south.
Calling 757-899-2215, posting to the National Weather Service.
It covers my whole entire county.
Using Twitter and Wakefield.
Thank you, Wakefield. Thank you very much, Wakefield. You've done a great job.
Flood watch remains in effect.
Okay. What the heck? What the heck? Bro, croaked. Holy crap! Those clouds are dark. Those things are dark as heck.
Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Brookfield, Tinesville, Charlotte Courthouse, Phoenix, Red House, Drake toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter.
Not 12 a.m. Come on, at 12 a.m. really?
From the National Weather Service. For the following counties, Appomattox, Virginia. Flood warning in effect until 2:30 a.m. early this morning.
Why did you go off?
Flash flood warning.
How did you go off?
Caused by excessive rainfall is expected. The areas affected include a portion of central Virginia, including the following counties: Appomattox and Campbell.
Really?
Weather conditions are expected until 2:30 a.m. Impact, flooding of
It's literally 12:26 a.m. by the way.
and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details at 12.
And that's why I have a timer.
Are indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the Warren area. Between 2.5 and 3.5 inches of rain have fallen. This includes the following streams and drainages: Beaver Pond Branch, Bear Creek, Falling River,
Come on.
Bottom Creek, and Head Creek.
Come on.
Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the Warren area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Head Creek, Mike, Spring Mills, Gladys, Long Island, and Hodges. www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of flooding, including mudslides or flooded roads, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. Flash flood warning.
Oh wait.
And southeastern Campbell counties has been replaced with a flood warning. This is a statement from the National Weather.
And that's why I have a timer.